How to fix upside down screen on Samsung Smart TV. So from your main home screen, go to Settings. Now select all settings. Now from here, go to Picture. From here, go to Expert Settings. Now from here, swipe down below. Then you will see the option of Picture Size Settings. One thing you have to note down is that picture size settings vary according to various TVs. So, if you are able to select this option, you would have to look for rotation or picture orientation. Then, from that setting, you would have to change the setting from 180 degrees back to 0 degree or landscape mode. Now, another step you could do in order to fix your issue is that just go back. Now from here, go to Support. From here, go to Device Care. From here, select the option of Self-Diagnosis. Now, from here, you'll see the option of Picture Test. Select on it. Now, in order to proceed further, just select on OK. So after that, you will be able to test picture on your Samsung TV screen. Now, if the picture looks normal, select on Yes, or else you could select No or select Show Again. I'm going to select Yes. Now, once the picture test has been completed, just select Close. Now, once the picture test has been done under self-diagnosis, you can select on the option of Test All in order to fix your issue. So follow these easy steps in order to fix upside down screen on Samsung Smart TV. So that's it for today's video, and at last, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.